Hello and welcome back guys to my channel. This is Keeway RKF125. It's actually nearly 2021, so it's brand spanking new bike. The bike is actually very interesting for Keeways. I reckon they smashed it. It does look good. It's a pretty cool bike. It's a lot actually to explain about this bike, which are gonna videos come up later on. And this video is gonna be as well the quick one. Show you a little bike around. It's really cool bike. Let's say for Keeway, it's pretty amazing bike. But this video is going to be about this fairing. We're gonna remove the fairing and I'll show you step by step how we do it. And yeah, we're gonna end up video only just removing the fairing on this video. But on the future ones, smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see loads of videos about this bike. It's gonna be review the maximum speeds, is it any good quality, what I like on this bike, what I don't like on this bike. So smash that like button and subscribe, and let's check this video out, show you how to remove fairings on the Keeway RKF125. Let's crack on. Okay guys, let's crack on. So basically we're gonna remove fairing. Let's move this steering wheel, get ignition off. It's pretty straightforward. I've never done it actually before myself, but what I'm gonna do, because I see these are connected together, this fairing is probably, this is just coming out nice and easy. What we're gonna do, we've got 3 little screws in here, one in here, one on the bottom, and also one in here. Let's get these first done, and we see from there. So we got 2 boys off, and we take this one as well on the bottom. Let's get this down, make sure you're not losing it. So the fairing is not coming up. Remember, I do myself all this first time, and I use one of these little Allen keys and undo 1, 2, 3 little boys also as well. Let's undo these boys in here. I think it's pretty straightforward. It can't be complicated. I never actually deal with these bikes, and I can tell one thing, I've never been massive fan of Keeways, but look at this, they smash it. Honestly, it's not too bad at all. So we got second and a third one. They did smash it. I like the looks, I like the options, whatever he's got, and it's pretty cool, pretty interesting. For the price they go, it's amazing. Okie dokie, so remove what, 6 little boys, and it should come up with no problem. But let's undo one more in here, this fairing, yeah. Let's undo this one and see if he makes any difference. Probably you have to remove the big one as well, but so that one is out. Still not coming? No. I reckon it's probably just place the cameras, make it easier. So let's have a look what we got in here. So this is being fixed somewhere in here. So I reckon to get this one off, it actually looks like we need to remove this thing in here as well. So let's crack on with this one. So we undone all the front ones. As you see, the fairing actually is basically coming off already. And let's have a look. If we remove this thing in here, probably, oh, there is a little screws. Yeah, so it can be done from inside, but I don't want to break it. So we can remove all this thing in here. Also, you need the same Allen key in here. Boys up there with use Allen key as well, a little bit bigger than the front ones. Just get these 2 screws off, just like that. Seat coming off nice and easy. There's the seat ones, the little boys, just like that. Place them in here, and let's go onto this side. Got the key back. So we got this little Allen thingy this little arm thing in here. It's not coming up so easy. No, now it's coming. So basically undo this little screw in here. About the bike, as I said from the beginning of the video, I will make a couple of good videos about the bike, just to give a little bit more knowledge before you pay any money. And so far so good, to be honest. I never expect from the Keeway do something like this, which I like it. It's a pretty, I would say it's even KTM base or MT. Very similar. The front headlight with LEDs inside, and also a couple of more things. Yeah, I reckon they smashed it. So to be honest, to take the front fairing off from the left it's not difficult though, but it's just a little bit more work than you usually have to. So that's that thing that comes off like that, yeah, as expected. Let's remove this one off anyways. It's a little pin. So we got the side off, and you can see there's a last boy in here. And let's smash this. Let's get it off and see from there. It's pretty straightforward. There's nothing complicated, to be honest. Really, it's only a little bit more screws, and to place it back, I'll show you again step by step. Probably some people are gonna laugh, but if you don't know, it makes a little bit help here. So that's it. So that's the fairing. Comes off nice and easy. As I said, you don't have to remove the that side part in here, the fairing. You could do from inside, but you could bend something or damage it, which you don't want to do it. And there we are now. Yeah. So it's all good. And fairing is off. Also, it's going to be crack video. I like what they did. You can put little LEDs in here. You see, there is the place. And if you put the LED on the sides, you got these lights in here. That would actually make pretty cool, and I think I will do it. So, because that's going to make, on the night time when you ride it, that's going to make pretty cool thing though, which I will definitely do. So wait for video, and it's going to be cool stuff, and hopefully you find it helpful for yourself. How to remove the fairing. As I said, a couple of bolts in here, a couple of in here. Take the side panel off as well. Makes easier. You could take it off probably with not taking them off. Just remove this piece in here, but unfortunately we take it all off, and maybe that gives you a little bit more help on the future. So if you find it helpful, smash that like button. Also subscribe. It's a loads of videos. I got KTMs inside, Honda CBRs, YZFs, MT, just name it. There's so many bikes coming up, and so many bikes also in the garage. So crack on, subscribe, follow my channel, and I'll see you next videos.